You respect all respect coaches.
I respect coaches. Yes. Coaching Jumano.
But Ogum Tv take you for granted.
No, you cannot take me for granted.
Alright guys, welcome back to Makati Media. Just recently, information I received and they say Kotoko Coach a friend of Mr. Prosper Ogum money management no nanaya amponsa particularly on your money some misunderstanding be due to that coach in the resignation letter I'm on board and they say won't many team in your. And then a Countryman Songo on his YouTube channel and I say on his show now Adom Tv no fire for fire. I bet drag coach no say coach no nya bigger than Kotoko na no or a small crama the club Kotoko. Any and same baby a Countryman Songo here then I can for coaching what I say any time kasa. Now also in the midst of coaching and management in sense no one can we recently board need the information about bontin say coaching no onya resigning na they are still negotiating with the coach say or back to ne adwuma no. No, in the midst of signing whenever in a Countryman Songo Asako pull out an old video of Oni Nana Yamponsa interviewer or more about the coach and the way forward for Kotoko Africans and some no. Nko video ni na we am some sense and bika about sa video.
You respect all respect coaches.
I respect coaches. Yes. Coaching Jumano.
But Ogum Tv take you for granted.
No, you cannot take me for granted.
You don't fear sacking coaches.
No, coaches are hired to be fired, just as CEOs are hired to be fired. Me, in my 15 years, 16 years life in football, previously as an agent, I've worked with many top coaches. Harry Redknapp is a friend of mine. Harry Bamifi, Befami, Nime Fadrin. I've worked with top coaches, and I respect them. They respect me. What am I saying? You know, me say, let's respect each other. Let's understand each other. Let's forge towards one direction. That is me media. Uba Kotoko nya media nya obi adia. Se bi opim so adwuma na nyina ye beye. Nti se ye ya e wo se ye nyina no we yitrim se ye be hye opim so anyonyam ne ahye asantema anyonyam. We work in one direction. Nti anya se bi a bu obi ana se me ya hard no. I like my work the way it should be. And I don't want to be involved in anything that fails. Of course, we are see that you get one failure here and there, but I don't want to involve in my things that fail. Okay. A colleague, the Nipa Abejibia Makotoko, a bar Champions League, Bia Bejibia Makotoko. Until Ujima Kotoko for me, and your news, sir. Mema Juma, I expect you to give me solutions. Sir, problem Biba, I expect you to give me solutions. More fire. I don't want you to throw your hands in despair. More fire. I expect you to give me solutions. So when I engage you and I'm not seeing solutions, then I have to look beyond you. It's that simple. It's not personal. I have no issues with him. I respect him as a man. I like him. He came from a team and now Kola more or less. Oh, but now probably doubting. When I decided to bring him, there were a lot of people who didn't believe he could do the job. And me, I plan ahead. Bonfire. And I stick to my plan. Unless something drastic changes.
Now, me had say during this time now, coaching in the management, Eguso Kasa, so almost had the Baba back on some 200 and a Countryman Songo. As supposed to post this kind of videos are all true jobs at the coach. So does that mean Countryman Songo no someone top management for be now Kotoko no or moving na kwashe Countryman Songo echi or esa anema winning and answer because me who are the Countryman Songo edge free coach in the hall. Him say they Kotoko bigger than the coach, yes, and all the entire but Kenya coach no nyansa we see on the players now and community me the any league no although bit me offer every coach bia but any coach bia bit me age league amount Coach Prosper Ogum Crampo no on coach any big club Crampo that so what I saying in the first season Crampo new the first season there and on no ultimately a club like Kotoko then Ababaji League upon the pressure ni nyinaa ne amanfo ne ma mbɛka afa the coach ne ho ne nyinaa otimi sie league through otimi de omo G league no akɔ behind Countryman Songo ɔyɛ saa ne ma was so ogya because identity mu bebree kwan po na saa bɛ team nim. I remember very well say time a coach ne management nsɛnsɛm yi pɔpɛ apɛ a Countryman Songo koraa be make video na ɔde blast coach ne sɛ coach ne kwan po no only the boss sɛ ɔno bɛkɔ Africa no ɔte sɛ coach ne vim ɔde bɛkɔ Africa na coach ne suro so ɔbakɔgye anim gu ase kwan po Africa nti na ɔhyɛ da ɛtwentwɛn ne ho free team ne ho sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔresign no na I was Countryman Songo Ekai who say in every human institution beyond the nipa na yɛde na yɛ adwuma. Right now who say the club na yɛ bigger than coach na next coach and work fan no. Ebia no kan point me from one baby nti. I was Countryman Songo ne all those management members now as a person modi coach na nim ɛyɛ form no. Omo hwe omo kasa mu ne omo any manema bi. So a team like Kotoko untimi nkwaje the African Champions League ɛwɔ abra there's disunity in the team untimi nkwaje every competition papa biara na sɛ trophy papa biara wɔ abere a ntawantawa ɛwɔ club nim nti saa nneɛma no ɛwɔ sɛ mpanyinfoɔ hwɛ na wɔn solve ne nyinaa ansa na ɛyɛ too late. Alright, so we are mimi observation about Countryman Songo nneɛma a ɔreyɛ nansen ɛfa Prosper Ogum ne Kotoko nsɛnsɛm aba recently a na me making sure sɛ anytime biara new video bi anaasɛ every development biara ɛbɛ pay out about this issue no ne Kotoko issues biara no make keep you guys updated nti mo subscribe mo a mo new ha sei no mo making sure sɛ mo bɛ subscribe na afei nso mama mo more videos after this one.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.